Hello everyone, welcome all grade 10th ICSE children. We are going to start with the syllabus again. वैसे तो every video is there on the channel already, but yes, we'll be starting again. We'll be starting chapter wise in a sequence, starting from cell division chapter. We'll move further. We'll be covering the whole syllabus, reduced, नहीं reduced. We are not bothered. कुछ delete हुआ है नहीं हुआ है अभी तक के लिए you have your full syllabus. So we'll be moving from one chapter to the last chapter in a sequence. We'll be starting the first chapter today, that is cell division. I would request everyone to please share the channel as much as possible with your fellow mates, with your friends, with your relatives, cousins, and for grade 11th and 12th also, please share my NEET channel. There all the instructions, all the information and all the chapters for biology will be covered for all the boards, ICSE, CBSE, plus NEET exams as well. So we'll start cell division. First of all, now before starting cell division, we'll just quickly talk about what is it, what is the importance, होता क्यों है ये, ठीक है? So first of all, cell division. If an organism has to survive, the cells need to divide. Even in our body also, there is continuous 24/7 division taking place. That is why we grow from a single zygote to a full grown baby, and then from a baby to a full-fledged man or a woman. So these cells, they keep on multiplying in the body, and this is known as cell division, the division with which the cells, they increase in number, they keep on multiplying, they keep on dividing and forming new. Always remember, in our junior grades we have done that all the cells, they arise from pre-existing cells. मतलब पहले से the cell is present, and then the divisions, further divisions of the cell leads to formation of a new organisms. So this is how the process of cell division it occurs. This is what basically cell division is. Now we are specifying, we'll be specifically talking about the two types of cell divisions, and in your course we have mitosis in detail and a few general instructions about meiosis. Okay, so we'll be talking about them separately. Before that, I'll just talk about the importance of cell division. होता क्यों है? Why is it there in our body? Now cell division is there in our body because it helps in growth, it helps in replacement. I'll explain you all these. It helps in repair and also reproduction. We'll take up all these one by one. Fine. First of all, growth. Now when I say growth, a single organism from a single cell grows into a full organism. I've just given you the example. Suppose this is a zygote. It will form a complete human being after growth. So growth. Be it animals, be it plants. Replacement. Worn out cells are replaced. We all know that the cells have a specific lifespan. Like for example, RBCs, they just live for 120 days. Uske baad they just die off. They are just replaced. So what is done? RBCs are replaced by new ones. So for the replacement of worn out cells, repair, how does repair occur? You have a wound, that wound heals, new cells, they come up. So that's repair going on in our body. And finally, reproduction. When I say reproduction, I'll be talking about both the types. Reproduction can be asexual and sexual. Now, when we talk about sexual reproduction, the specific type of cell division which takes place is meiosis. We'll be discussing about it. And when we say asexual, in asexual, what does asexual mean? This is an amoeba. It divides to form two daughter amoeba. So this is asexual mode of reproduction because a single organism is dividing to give rise to new organisms. This is also known as a mode of reproduction. So here the type of division is mitosis. We'll talk about it. Abhi ke liye you just understand that it helps in growth, replacement, repair and reproduction. What is helping? The process of cell division. So this was about the importance of cell division. Now I'll be briefly telling you about the two types of cell division. I want you to listen carefully. Reason being, these two cell divisions, why are they important? Because sometimes in the paper, you get questions from both, but I'll tell you किससे specifically आता है, किससे कभी कभी आता है. Now there are two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. A very important difference between both of them is that mitosis occur in body cells, or there is a term for it, somatic cells. That means all the type of division taking place from head to toe. Which type of division is occurring? Mitosis. That means growth, replacement, repair, ये तीनों are done when mitosis take place. And meiosis will only occur during gamete formation only. That means meiosis only take place in testes and ovaries. बाकी बॉडी में कहीं पे भी meiosis does not take place. Very important question. Mitosis occur in body cells or somatic cells, and meiosis occur in gametes during gametes formation only in testes and ovaries. Very important difference between both of them. If you understand this difference, you will understand कि कौन सा division कहाँ होता है specifically. Then next point of difference which is very important is that during mitosis, equal number of chromosome is restored, and during meiosis, chromosome number halves. This is another very important difference. We'll be talking about all the differences when we will be done with mitosis and meiosis उसके बाद भी. लेकिन I just want to give you an idea कि ये जो दो तरह की division है ये किस तरह से आपस में is different from each other. So mitosis, if I'll just explain you with an example. Suppose this is a cell and suppose it has maybe 2 chromosomes. When mitosis will take place, 2 cells will be formed and both of them will have 2 chromosomes each. This is mitosis. But when I say meiosis, this is an organism with 2 chromosomes. First of all, 4 daughter cells are formed here, not 2. And each of them will have one chromosome each. Half number of chromosome, not 2, 1. We'll be discussing this in detail in our next upcoming videos, where we'll be talking about mitosis and meiosis in detail. I've explained you the importance of, I've told you what is cell division importance, and we have discussed about the general briefing about mitosis and meiosis. In our next video, I'll take you through all the stages of mitosis in detail. We'll be starting from interphase, we'll go till telophase. एक करके I'll explain you all the stages of mitosis. Keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.